In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitget. Bitget is one of the most exciting cryptocurrency exchanges that is super innovative with a bunch of cool products related to trading. So if you're into trading, Bitget is definitely for you, and let's get started. I'm going to show you a bunch of things that you can do with Bitget that you can't do anything else. So first of all, if you want to get started, of course, sign up. The link will be down below in the description. You can either deposit your funds to your wallet using crypto, or you can buy directly using either a credit debit card, P2P trading, or a third party. So if you have already crypto, you can usually just click on the wallet here and transfer your assets with deposit. That's probably the easiest thing if you already have something to trade with. If you're just starting with crypto, then you have to click on buy crypto and choose one of the three options here and just go with it. So this is the very easy process, a couple of clicks away, and you will have your funds on Bitget wallet. Now, if you have some funds, you are able to trade, and basically there are a bunch of options. First of all, you can do a bunch of things, spot trading, and then there are a couple of futures, and also there's an option for spot margin trading where you're buying on a spot but you're borrowing to magnify the volume. This is cool stuff. Strategy trading, so you can automate some of your trading. You can go through and look through the markets. You can look at the top gainers, trending coins, new coins being introduced, a bunch of other data as well. You can copy trade, so this is cool because you can look at what other people are trading and try to copy their strategy. There's even a program of Star Trader program, and finally there's Earn, where there's a bunch of products from savings to a different kind of earn with crypto, where you deposit and you can participate in various events. Launch pool, where staking gives you additional benefits, and finally there's Web3. If you click on Web3, then basically you'll be taken to the website with the Bitget wallet, and there's the whole wallet for mobile that you'll be able to use to store your crypto on your device and have access to that on your device. So you can read the roadmap about the BitKeep, about the Bitget Web3 roadmap, which is pretty cool. But this video is mostly about the trading, so let's go to trading and let's start with spot trading, going for example for BGB. So this is the native Bitget token, that if you hold Bitget token, then basically you'll be able to get different bonuses from trading, lower fees, and you'll be able to participate in a bunch of events as well. So what you can see is, of course, a graph here. You can change that, for example, to like 15-minute or 5-minute candles if you want to see the price action. So that's one thing. If you want to buy, then you go down below. You can of course see here the order book. If you go down below, you'll be able to buy on a spot or isolated. With isolated, you can do limit order, so a standard one, indicating how much you want to buy and for what price. You can also choose a bunch of options from normal to, this is like the standard one, to auto borrow. This will give you additional options to actually increase your position. Then you can choose market option, so you just market buy everything. And the new thing is OCO. Those are the kind of the position that one cancels the other, where you can actually have a trigger associated with the price. So this is a more complicated order where you're waiting for a particular price, and if something happens, then you either cancel or take the beat. So this is a really cool stuff. You can also do the same thing on the spot. You don't have market, but you have trigger orders here. Really cool stuff as well. So as you can see, those trigger orders and OCO orders, one cancel the others, is something unique to Bitget. I haven't found it anywhere else on any other exchange, and it's only get more interesting from here, because if you were to go, so this is spot. So spot is the simplest. If you're just starting with trading, you go on a spot. If you're somewhat more degenerate trader, then you probably want to use leverage. Of course, not a financial advice, nothing here is purely educational content, and remember that trading is definitely risky. But if you want to learn more than going to futures and seeing what Bitget has for you is really interesting. This is standard, again, standard chart again, and you can limit or market buy everything here. We went to BTC USDT. So again, you can put the limit price. You can see how much of the portfolio you want to use for that position. You can do market orders, but you can also do a bunch of trailing stops, post only, or triggers. Everything is explained here. If you want to go to, so for example, if I were to go to trailing stop, then I can click on I here and learn more if I want to understand, for example, what trailing stop order is doing. So in this case, you can see that it is predetermined strategic order intended for periods of market volatility when the latest price, mark price, reaches the highest lowest price. After the user sets the strategy, orders will be made at the market price. So you will have the trailing stop going after your order if you want to exit your position very quickly. You have the leverage here, which is going up to 125x. 125x is of course super high, and this will probably liquidate your position in a moment if you just have a bad entry. So this is really high. Of course, the sweet spot for trading is somewhere between 5 to maybe 50 if you're on the riskier side. Going beyond that, even 50 is super risky. You can get your position liquidated very quick. Of course, you can choose between cross and isolated, like everything, like everywhere else. But basically, those different triggers, stop loss, this is what makes Bitget really interesting here and worth trying. So as you can see, you have a bunch of futures, coin futures. You can go with USDT futures, USDC futures, different trading strategies like grid trading, the standard one. So basically having different levels where you enter and exit your positions and done automatically for you. So this is standard as well, but very useful. And then there's a bunch of information. So if you only getting into futures, then learning things like funding rate is important because it shows you whether there are more people shorting or longing a particular coin, and that's important as well. You can see that, for example, here, and also it's explained. If you want to learn directly from the chart, then it's also possible. Basically, if it's positive, then longs are paying shorts. If it's negative, then shorts are paying longs, and this is basically the way to make for the difference between the spot price as well. So you can also go to copy trading, but we're going to go back to spot and go here directly with the overview. So we're going to go to copy trading overview, and there's a bunch of options you can do. So over 100,000 traders on Bitget, which is really amazing. And then you can go with like spot copy trading, go for strategy copy trading. So let's go with the spot copy trading. That's the simplest one. And you'll be able to see a bunch of people here and top traders as well. You can see the P&L, ROI. Of course, remember that this doesn't mean that you'll be able to get the same results. The past results do not indicate the future results. So of course, they might be 200% up and then go down very quickly. And if you enter that in the wrong time, then it's of course might be downhill for you. Super risky. But what's really interesting is having to look at what they're doing and deciding for yourself, doing your own research and understanding what kind of coins they are buying, because Bitget is also very good at finding new innovations. You have this in the rankings. You will be able to see new coins that are entering. I'm going to show you that as well. But for now, I wanted to show you how it works with different traders that you can follow and what you can do here. So as you can see, you can choose between those traders, and if you want to follow them, you just click on follow, and you'll be asked about the position and what you want to do with it. So really cool stuff if you're just starting and want to see what other people are doing. Now, you can go to markets and, for example, go to crypto rankings to see what's happening, the top gainers, as you can see. So the what's changing in the last 24 hours the most, the biggest movements. So you have the top coins, you have the trending coins as well. Here you have the new tokens. So as you can see, this Tommy token is here trending on all of the positions because this is probably the new token introduced and got quite a substantial price action. But basically this is the way to also discover new coins, what's trending, what people are trading on the platform. So altogether there's a bunch of very interesting statistics there. Finally, there's a bunch of end products that you can use. So if you just want to have some capital, but or you're holding one of the crypto coins and it just standing idle, then maybe you can use it to earn you some fees on savings or different staking possibilities. As you can see, there are different accounts for example, USDT giving you 8% per year on an earned duration, flexible, which is pretty cool. You have a bunch of other rates as well, so you can look for those. Whatever coin you have, there's a bunch of interesting stuff here happening. You can also calculate your profits if you want to with particular coins, so that's really cool. Generally speaking, as you can see, Bitget is really giving you all the possible things related to how you want to trade, be that futures, be that different DeFi products related to staking. You can copy other traders as well, which is also cool. Generally speaking, really cool stuff, really great innovations in a cryptocurrency exchange markets. So really recommend getting into that, trying it out yourself. But of course, be careful. Not a financial advice here. Everything here is super risky, so don't forget to learn properly, and of course subscribe to my channel for more info about crypto trading, new coins, new DeFi protocols, new chains, and everything else in crypto. See you in the next episode. Subscribe.